We'll show you how to add Google Calendar to your desktop in Windows 11. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. If you check your Google Calendar often, having it on your desktop makes things much easier because you can open it quickly anytime. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to do this. We'll be using the Google Chrome web browser for this method, so it's best if you follow along using Chrome. This can also be done in other browsers, but Chrome works best for this. First, open Google and go to Google Calendar. You can do this by clicking on Google Apps in the top right corner and selecting Calendar, or you can simply search for it. Once Google Calendar is open, go to the top right corner and click on the three dots. From there, go down and hover over Save and Share, then select Install Page as App. After that, click Install. Google Calendar will open as a separate app, and you can close it for now. You'll notice that Google Calendar is now added to your desktop. You can double-click it to open. If you want quicker access, right-click the app on the taskbar and select Pin to Taskbar. Now you can easily open Google Calendar directly from your desktop or taskbar.